Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the frame size of your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are, and first let's import our video. So for example, we'll be using this one right there. And as you can see, here is the warning right here in the clip mismatch. It just simply means if you have this error that the sequence settings or the frame size of your sequence is not the same, or it's not the same to your clip that you are currently importing. So you have two choices: to keep existing settings or change the sequence settings. So if you choose this one right here, then it would automatically readjust the sequence settings into the one that you have imported into your timeline. Or if you want to keep existing settings, then you can just have the current sequence settings for the frame size, and your video will not be able to fit the frame. As you can see, when I zoom out right here, when I put it in the 100% or default value, I can still zoom out right there. It's not really perfect. So what I can do is that in order for me to set the frame size to the correct one is, first I want to right click on my footage, and then I want to go into properties so that I would know what is the image size or the frame size of the video. So it's 1920 or by 1080 or to 1080p. So all I have to do to change the frame size of my sequence or my video is simply go into sequence right here, click sequence settings, and from here you can change it in the frame size of your video. So 1920 by 1080, and that's basically this is basically the frame size of this clip right here. So it's the same, and I want to click on OK right there. And just like that, you have successfully changed it. Or if you want to change it into maybe to 400 and 1080, and click on OK and click on OK again, as you can see, the frame size is now much smaller, or as you can see the black edges because it doesn't fit the video. So let's change it back right here, 1920, and hit OK and OK again. And as you can see, it's now back to the original frame size. Or you can also do this, so you can go into file, and when you are exporting your video, click on export on media, and you can go here. As you can see, you have the frame size right here. So in this video, you want to make sure that you click, or you don't have to mess with this anymore, make sure that this is grayed out right here. Or you can also click on match source so that it will be matched to your video. So whatever the frame size of your clips in the imported video, it would match the sequence settings, because the sequence settings will adjust to the video. And you can uncheck this right here. By unchecking this, you would be able to edit the frame size of your exported video, so you can choose here. But of course, it would depend on the frame size. If it matches, as you can see, you can now see the black bars because it's not the frame size. And you can also go for other sizes, but it might be a little bit zoomed in if the frame size is too small or so on. So you make sure that you have the correct frame size right here that you'd want, or you can just match the source right there so that the frame size will be perfect. And yeah, that is basically on how you can change the frame size on your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching.